welcome to our YouTube channel Byte Boost. I hope you all are doing good. And in the previous topic, we have covered if error with VLOOKUP. And in this topic, we are going to cover how you can use if with VLOOKUP. But before to that, if you have not subscribed this channel, please do subscribe so that whenever we will upload the video, you will get the notification. Now, without any delay, let's jump into the topic. So here we do have the table from the previous video, and we would like to check whether in this E column the people who are working in the company from the IT department, or if they are not, then simply it should return no. So how we can do that? So simply here we will use if, and then logical test, we will check this one equal to IT, and if this condition is true, then what we should return is VLOOKUP. Then take this one, and our table we will select this one, and here we will take index number, that is 4, and then we will take 0 for exact match, and then if it is false, then it should return no. So now as you can see, it is showing IT. Now for an example, if I'll copy paste this, so simply as you can see here, it is showing that let me freeze this formula in this case. So here let's freeze this formula. Okay, now again if we will look, so as you can see here now, so this person is from the IT, and this person he is from the finance, then it is no, and again IT here, it is here, and then here. So simply we will use conditional formatting. So till this, let me go to the conditional formatting, highlight, and text that contain. So we will simply write IT. So wherever it will be the IT, it will simply highlight. So I hope you understood how you can use if formula with VLOOKUP wherever you would like to validate whether the some values are from the same department or from the any criteria. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like or subscribe. And still you have some doubt, you have queries, simply you can write in the comment section, or you can reach out on our official mail ID. So this is all for this video, and let's meet to the next topic. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.